Unpleasant odors from HVAC systems can be a nuisance and even a health hazard. Here are some common causes of these odors and how to eliminate them. Mold and mildew. Cause: failure to regularly clean and replace air filters allows dust and debris to accumulate, creating a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Solution: change air filters every month during peak heating and cooling seasons, and every 2 to 3 months during less active seasons. Regularly clean and disinfect ductwork. Dirty drain pans. Cause: condensate from ductwork or air conditioning coils can collect in drain pans, providing moisture for mold and bacteria to grow. Solution: clean the drain pan regularly to prevent water buildup and potential leaks. Dirty coils. Cause: grease, grime, and dust can build up on coils, creating a foul odor. Solution: clean coils regularly with a coil cleaner designed for HVAC systems. Leaking gas lines. Cause: a leaking natural gas line can release a sulfur-like odor. Solution: immediately turn off the HVAC system and call a qualified technician to inspect for gas leaks. Chemical odors. Cause: a leaky refrigerant line can release a sweet, chemical odor. Solution: immediately turn off the HVAC system and call a qualified technician to inspect for refrigerant leaks. Pests or rodents. Cause: dead rodents or pests can decompose inside the HVAC system, emitting a foul odor. Solution: check the entire HVAC system for signs of pests or rodents, and seal any entry points. Here are some preventative measures to reduce the risk of unpleasant odors from HVAC systems. Regularly clean and inspect the HVAC system. Conduct annual maintenance checks to identify and address any potential issues. Choose high-quality air filters. Use MERV 13 or higher air filters to capture more dust, debris, and pollen, reducing the buildup of harmful substances. Maintain a clean home. Keep your home clean and free of pet dander, cooking smells, and other potential sources of odor. Install an odor eliminator. Consider installing an air purifier or odor eliminator with activated carbon filters to neutralize lingering odors. If you notice an unpleasant odor coming from your HVAC system, don't ignore it. Contact a qualified HVAC technician to identify the cause and recommend the appropriate solution. Please check description for much more.